GOAT. Prices be crazy. And at this point, do we really trust the process? What up, it's your boy Mac the Wise Soul coming back with another video. So check this out. Before I even get into detail in this video, there's a couple things we gotta talk about real quick. I really appreciate everybody that's subscribed to the YouTube channel. Those of you that subscribe to the Instagram, which is down here below. I love it and I appreciate it because we're growing at a nice little pace here. You know, over the last month, you know, the channel is growing. But remember, the goal for the end of the year is to get 100 subs. I'm about 20-ish off right now. Actually, I'm maybe closer to 17. I'll throw it up here. We'll take a look at it real quick. But remember, when I get to 100 subs, I'm giving away one of my Jordan Funko Pops. So don't forget, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and follow me on Instagram to go ahead and have a chance to win one of these Funko Pops. Just make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and remember, follow me on Instagram, which you can see again down here below. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so your boy caught a delayed W. This is a pair of shoes, oh, sorry Jordan. This is a pair of shoes I've wanted for a while. I remember when they originally dropped, I want to say it was like 09. I remember like, you know what, I'm going to get these shoes one day. And I just never got them back then in 09. When they had the quick strike and they dropped them, I don't know what happened. I just missed out. But I knew I checked out on GOAT and StockX to see, you know, what's the resale on these right now. And the resale wasn't that high. So, you know, hey, let me go ahead and reach in and get this cop. Speaking of, how did I not hit on the Cap Air Force Ones? Like, I should have grabbed those. Like, I was in line in the queue at 7 o'clock in the morning on the dot as I was driving to work. So I'll run that back around later. I'll check the GOAT, the StockX to see what those prices are. But right now, I got a pickup I hit up on StockX. Again, this is a shoe I wanted from back in 2009. They re-released it again in 2019. And you know, I copped it this time, you know, so I'm ready to open it up. And I know y'all tired of hearing me talk. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this shoe and get to this box. All right, so we got the shoe right here, the box. This came from StockX. And you know, we ain't really, I'm kind of more on a GOAT guy myself right now. StockX is cool. It depends on what kind of shoe you're trying to get. If it's one of those crazy like Travis Scott's or some hype beast shoe, I ain't really trying to hit any of these resale sites, whether it be StockX, GOAT. Prices be crazy. And at this point, do we really trust the process? For a shoe like this, I felt these legit. I ain't even really tripping. I know I can trust this shoe. It ain't like it's a super hype beast shoe or anything like that. So anyway, that's what I got it, and you know, I'm ready to open up the box. So as usual, StockX gotta put the shoe in the smallest shoe box on the planet. So you've seen the thumbnail. You probably didn't see the name of the shoe in the description or in the title before you started even watching the video. But anyway, this is what it is. It's the LeBron 7 red carpet. So, you know, some people call him the GOAT. Some people say he's the second GOAT. What do you think? Do you think LeBron's the GOAT or is it Jordan? Let me see. Is LeBron the GOAT or is Jordan the GOAT? Let me know in the comments below. Who's the GOAT? Tell me what you think. I want to know in the comments below. Who's the GOAT? Jordan or LeBron? And if you start saying Kobe, you know, he can be in an argument, but I ain't really saying Kobe's the GOAT right now. It's either LeBron or Jordan. Anyway, we're going to get to the shoe. Before I get to the shoe, you know I got to read the box. Let me go ahead and take a look and read this box. Like I told y'all in the last video, reading is fundamental. Fundamental. So again, we got the Nike LeBron 7 Quick Strike. Color spectrum is white, black, glass blue. So now that I've read the box, let's go ahead and open the shoe, crack it open, and let's take a look. And here you go, the LeBron 7 red carpet. This shoe is fire. Look, let's be real. There ain't too many LeBrons that come out and people be like, you know what, them shoes is fire. The LeBron 7s, they have some dope colorways. Like silhouettes in his retros aren't necessarily the greatest, but he had a good 3-year run where the 7s, the 8s, and the 9s, I mean, I guess because they kind of look similar, at least the 7 and 8s really look similar, those silhouettes were fire. And then, of course, you have the LeBron 8 South Beach, one of the best retros of all time, followed by that LeBron 9 South Beach, which I ain't gonna hold you. That might be the best LeBron retro of all time. That's one of my grails right there. I'm gonna get that LeBron 9 one day. When I get to 1,000 subs, I'm getting the LeBron 9 South Beach. You can just don't even hold me on that. It's happening. So get me to 1,000 subs so I can get that shoe, people. Anyway, back to the shoe. Look, this shoe done been out for like a month and a half. Actually, it's been out for like 2 months almost. So I ain't gonna hit you with the whole detailed review or whatever because you've already seen that. I'm gonna give you the wide sole spin on it because, you know, that's what y'all here for. Your boy's entertaining you guys. I'm trying to give you something a little different. So let's go ahead and get right into the outsole. As you can see, you have the glass blue on the outer interior of the outsole, inside with a black traction pod. Right here, you'll notice in the middle of the shoe or in the middle of the outsole, you'll have a LeBron James signature. Well, not actually signature, but it'll have LeBron James' name with the Nike swoosh. You might be able to see that in the camera. So you can focus in. It's kind of like a hologram, but you can see that. Go ahead and take it up a little bit to the midsole. On the midsole, you have the air bubble that goes all the way around, almost 360, completely around the shoe. That's one of the fire parts about this shoe is that in the glass blue color hitting against this white leather. And let me tell you something, this leather feels good. Huh? It's a premium type leather. Like if you got this shoe, you already know what I'm talking about right here. About these, the red spare laces. These red spare laces is what really sets this shoe off. It has the hint of red in it. As you can see, there's red here on the tongue already with the LeBron James signature. You can see that. Let me get you to focus right there. That's another dope detail. So adding the red laces really makes this pop out even more. So you already know I'm adding the red laces in here. Let's be real. There's really nothing wrong with the black laces, but the red ones like to, you know, they make it pop a little bit. And you know, your boy, I ain't saying I'm flashy with the shoes, but I like to make it a little pop a little differently. Every time I see somebody with this shoe, either they have a review or it's on foot, they usually have the red laces in. So I ain't even really saying it's gonna stand out this time because everybody rocking the red laces. But anyway, since we're talking about laces, let's go ahead and take a look at the laces. As you see on this shoe, it has LeBron's name on it. On the other shoe, it says James. I had to make sure this one said LeBron. The tight, you definitely want to loosen these up because if I remember correctly, when I wore LeBron's back in the day, at least the 7 model, it was a little snug, you know, so I probably should have got a 13, but I didn't because, you know, maybe it was made differently or not. But whatever, we're going to find out when I put them on. So again, so on the booty of the shoe here, you got the LeBron James. It's one of his secondary logos. I think it's like LJ23 right there. And on the interior backside of the shoe, you have the LJ23 logo stitched in here on this like mesh type. Yeah, it's kind of like a mesh, not really mesh, but what's the word I'm looking for? You know you've seen the shoe, you already know what it is. It feels good anyway. And completely on the back side of the shoe, you have the L, and on the other shoe, you have the J. You know, obviously for LeBron James, because that's whose shoe it is. So that's a quick look at the LeBron James Red Carpet 7. Again, this shoe to me was definitely a must cop. If you cop this LeBron James 7, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know, hey, you copped the LeBron 7. And for those who do love LeBrons, I hope you copped the Christmas edition LeBrons that came out this past weekend. Those shoes are also fire. Especially it had a red-black colorway with a hint of green on that. So if you like the LeBron 7s, I hope you cop those too, a little bit different. If I got that shoe coming, I'm not saying I do, but if I got that shoe coming in, maybe I hit you with a review on that. I'm not saying I really got that shoe coming because we don't know yet. But so that's the LeBron 7 Red Carpet. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, checking out the channel. I appreciate all the support. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Share the video. Follow me on Instagram. Once I hit 100 subs, you already know what it is. I'm giving away one of the Jordan Funko Pops, number 54, 55, or 56. So again, you got your boy Mac the Wise. So you have the LeBron 7 Red Carpet. Remember this, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.